Look at this. B500, we just jumped on B500. You can see our entry right there. Let me zoom in so you can see properly. This is our entry right here. Okay, and our SL was down below this point. I will show you guys my reasons for this trade. My SL was down below this point, right? Then sorry, my SL was down below this point, yeah, and my entry here, and you can see we are running in good profits already. Long spike on about $80 in profit already. Okay, so now since it has spiked to this point, up to this point, I just moved my SL to this above my entry. That's how to trade. Boom, any trade at all, right? So that's now this trade does not, we don't lose anything, right? So yeah, so now we are, this here is our target right here. This is our target right here. Market is coming to this point because I have my reasons. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys my reasons for this trade. You know, I love showing you guys why I take any trade at all, and I explain everything. I give every proper details about everything, right? So we're gonna check. So this is B500. Like I said, my entry, my confirmation is, if you move to daily time frame, okay, let's go to 4 hours. We move to 4 hours time frame. You see that markets just moved like this. This is it. You can start from here. We have market moving like that. Okay, market moving like that. All right, look at that. Market moving like moving high, low, lower high, lower low, and there was a higher high which broke this previous low. Market drops back to this point to start pushing up again, right? So that's the confirmation. Then the second confirmation will be this support. This support. Market touched this support here, right? Market touched that support right there. Market touched this support right here. So I had a confirmation that market has touched the key support level. Remember, we have the first touch here, we have the second one here, we have this, which is the third one here, and if we look back, we see that market has been touching that zone. So that makes it a key level on our charts, right? Then we check again on the 1 hour time frame. You see on the 1 hour time frame, market drops and reversed already, and we have a bullish push to the upside, so which is our confirmation, the bullish push to the upside. We decided to jump in after the bullish push to the upside. We decided to jump in to find an entry, and our SL was quite below. So market is pushing up to this point very soon. Okay, so that is how to trade the financial market. You can see how simple it is. You don't have to wait for an indicator to tell you what to do. And this is an order block zone, okay, where market has been respecting over time. So yeah, see, you don't expect you must not wait for an indicator to tell you what to do, or a robot to tell you what to do. You are your indicator, you are your robot. You see the market far better than the indicator, because indicator or robot is being programmed to tell you, okay, when to buy and when to sell. What if market changes? What if there's a change, right? So when there's a change, it's hard for you to really know, for the robot to adjust to the change in the market. But you as human being, you know when market changes, you know when to jump in, you know where to place your stop loss, you know why you should allow your trade to run for a longer time, right? But without having the right knowledge, you might just catch one spike and you jump out and you miss all the move to the upside, right? All the moves to the upside, right? So this is it, guys. I told you guys, I keep telling you guys to learn price action. Now we are starting classes starts, mentorship program starts this month, being October 9. So I advise every one of you to join the platform. Join us. Let's make money, right? Let's make money together. God bless you guys. I love you guys. Bye bye. So and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very important. Look at that move, that long move to the upside. We are blessed. Yeah, we are blessed. We make so much money. More spike are coming, right? That'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. And we've given this thing now to our Telegram channel, VIP. Look at that. This is our VIP. We're giving the signal to your VIP. They're eating, they're enjoying, guys. We are the best, we are the best, we are the best. Join the platform. Learn price action. Yep.